So students, today I am going to take you on a beautiful journey. When I say journey, you all may be surprised. Which journey is teacher taking us during this time of pandemic? On a journey where there is so much beauty. Beauty of the flowers, beauty of the birds, cool breeze coming, beauty of the rainfall, the different colors in the nature. These all you can enjoy. The melodious music, isn't it? You like the music of Marshmallow, you love the music of some Bollywood songs, silent songs, sometimes the devotional songs. So these are something which you love to hear, love to see. Sometimes when you are sitting in the online class, there is something which your mother is cooking very deliciously in the kitchen. Maybe the hot jalebis which she is cooking. So you will be attracted more than the class towards that hot jalebis, isn't it? So that means you are getting that sweet smell of jalebi which is taking you to the kitchen. Sometimes you are hurt, isn't it? When someone pinches you, you are hurt because you have the skin. So that means now we are slowly going to the journey of which organs? Sense organs. So we are in the chapter sense organs. These sense organs, what is the main function of the sense organs? You all know how many sense organs we have? 5. What are they? Eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. So these are our 5 sense organs. Then what is the significance? What does this sense organ help us in? They help us to change or detect the change in the environment. Is it when it is a very cool day? In the winter season, you are wearing which type of clothes? Warm clothes, isn't it? You are wearing your sweaters, you are taking your blankets. While during the hot days in the summer, you are wearing cotton clothes, light clothes. Because you are detecting the change in the environment. With which organ? With your skin. Sometimes you feel very hungry because you know your mother is going to prepare palak paneer. Mouth is watering, isn't it? And you think also of some tasty food, your mouth starts watering. Doesn't mean that now you go to the shops and buy all those things because it's a time of pandemic. See that you eat your fresh food made by your mother. So did you understand? These sense organs help us to detect the changes in the environment. Suppose you get very bad smell or you are not able to bear that stinking smell. What will you do? You will move away because you are getting very bad smell there. But sometimes there is the smell of the jasmine which attracts you. Sometimes the melodious music, I told you are very much you are a fan of some A.R. Rahman's music. You feel like sitting there and enjoying his music, isn't it? So some are very much interested to travel from place to place because they love to explore the nature. So these are all the changes in the environment, and who helps us to detect this? They are our sense organs. So now you just think only we can detect change. That's not the only function. Sometimes it also helps in the survival. Like if a rat sees a cat. Now don't go back to your cartoon world, Tom and Jerry. We have seen Tom and Jerry since our childhood. So do you think they both are friends? No. They both are very pakka enemies of one another. Yes or no? Yes. So when this rat sees the cat, what will be the response of this rat? First response, immediate response. Rat will try to save its life. It will start running from holes to holes to protect from the cat. So that means it also helps in the survival. Did you understand? As soon as the rat sees means which is that organ? Eyes. So that means sense organ helps us for our even survival. Again, what are the things for friend. If there are 10 friends, from that you will identify your 3 best friends. Followed? So then you will form a group there. 3 best friends. So that means you are able to recognize friends. So now, how is this response coming? Did you understand what is response? You have seen one plant. Touch me not plant. Touch me not plant. Have you seen? If you touch that plant, you can see the leaves will get drooped. The leaves will get closed. So that was the response. Did you understand? Closing of leaf is response. And what is the stimuli? Touch. As soon as the rat sees the cat, that means sight is the stimuli. And what will be the response? Running away. Flight. Flight means running away from the scene. So what is the basic thing what is needed is stimuli. You get a bright light coming from the vehicle. What will be your response? You will close your eyes. When there is a sharp object there on the road, what will be your response? You will lift your feet. Hot object, you will withdraw your hands. So these are some responses which I am telling you. Did you understand what is response and what is stimuli? So stimuli is something which generates the response. And how this response is generated, because of which organ? Because of our sense organs. We will just imagine one situation. Now it's the time of breeding of mosquitoes. So when these mosquitoes come, you know mosquitoes, when they come, they bite. That means they are biting your skin. So what will be your next step? You will admire it. Come on, mosquito, continue drinking my blood. Will you say that? No. Next step, you will take your hand and try to kill the mosquito. So did you understand the stimuli there? Stimulus is singular. So stimulus is singular. Here stimulus is biting of the mosquito. So this biting of mosquito gives the signal or sends the message through which nerve? You know, sensory nerve. So skin. Skin is your sensory organ. Where you got which bite? Mosquito bite. So what will be your response? Killing the mosquito. We'll go in slow motion. So before this killing of mosquito, there is one big organ involved there, that master organ. Master organ means, understood what is our master organ? Brain. So here sensory nerve carries the message. What is there? Mosquito, mosquito, mosquito. Message will go to the brain. Then brain will start processing. Like you know CPU in computer. It starts processing, no? Like that it starts processing. And comes the response. Signal to hand. What is that signal? Kill the mosquito. So this was our which nerve? You know, motor nerve. Did you understand? The nerve which carries message to the brain. Which nerve? Sensory nerve. And the message is carried to the hand by which nerve? Motor nerve. Did you understand now? Two nerves are very important there. Sensory nerve and motor nerve. Sensory nerve carries message from sensory organ. So which was our sensory organ in mosquito? Skin. We'll take example of the sweet smelling jalebis, isn't it? So that smell will go from your mouth, nose. So that smell is sensed by your nose. So which is a sensory organ there? Nose. It will go there and what? Your mouth will start watering. So that is response. Did you understand the stimuli and response? All follow the stimuli to response direction. Which are the nerves? Two nerves involved. Sensory nerve and one more, motor nerves. So next, so which is the center of all activities? Brain. So what are those organs? Did you understand? Sensory nerve, motor nerve, don't notice. Like, you all drink milk, isn't it? Do you drink milk or not? Because milk is a complete food. So when you take one glass of milk and you are adding only one pinch, you know what is pinch, no? Only one pinch of sugar and you mix. Will the milk become sugary or sweet? No. Then you tell your mother, oh, it's not at all sweet. I need one more spoon of sugar. Then your mother adds the sugar and mixes it well. Then that milk becomes sweet. Did you understand? There are some stimuli which goes unnoticed. We are not able to notice. See, sometimes when you eat like bean, isn't it? You know, chota bean, eating one laddu. After that you are drinking the milk. But after sweet, if you drink the milk, how will it taste? Again you will feel there is no sugar. So during tea time and all, what do you have? You have rusk, you have biscuits. But you try maximum not to eat sweet during this tea time. Did you follow? Because the taste goes. So next we are going to go and explore our sense organs. Did you follow? The organ which we use for seeing, which is that organ? Eyes. We are slowly going to study the structure of eye. So come prepared for the next class. We will continue the structure of eye in the next class. Thank you.